afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the grand opening of our brand new Bella Clinic and our annual red carpet ceremony, welcoming our newest members of our professional family. Today represents a massive milestone for our family medicine program here at Marion Health. Standing here, this is an incredible new space, looking out at our community, our faculty, and our residents. I'm reminded of how far we've come. This achievement did not happen in a vacuum. It required immense vision, dedication, and hard work. I want to extend my deepest gratitude for the Marion Health Board of Directors, to our program director, Dr. Zambrano, and our CMO, Dr. Shrikant, for their unwavering executive support and the belief in our mission. A massive thank you goes out to Ina Wells, our program director, who keeps this entire machine running seamlessly. And to Dr. Kolje, our associate program director, for her tireless dedication to the academic and clinical excellence. To our current residents, all of our attendings, and our entire clinic staff who pour their energy into teaching community every day, thank you. You're the heartbeat of our residency. And I also like to thank and recognize the Greater Grant County Chamber for their participation in our event today, and also for the contributions over the last 3 years. Let's give them a round of applause. And we're honored to have our representative, Lord Reeves, with us today. I'd like to invite her up for a few comments.
Hello, I'm asking her to stay here because I really want to say congratulations to Stephanie, to all the residents. Welcome to Grant County. I know you've been here for a little while, but she and I met at the State House. And the reason why that's significant to me is she knows Dr. Hoeksema, who I worked with many years at Family Services. And it's just so important that we continue to work together to solve the problems that we face every day of how do we get enough doctors to come to Grant County, to want to stay in Grant County, to take care of our loved ones. And so I just want to really just say that we'll keep working hard in this space and we'll keep working together. Stephanie came down to the State House. She's a fierce advocate for Grant County and Marion Health. And so today I just want to say again, welcome. We're so glad you're here. And we are hoping that through this program, we just continue to get more docs wanting to come to Grant County and to stay. Thank you.
So I'm Dr. Kolje. I'm the Associate Program Director, and I have the pleasure of introducing our brand new interns. With the arrival of this intern class, we are now finally complete as a full residency program with residents from first year, second year, and third year. We look forward to expanding our footprint and increasing the number of high-quality primary care physicians that serve Grant County. This brings us to our beautiful new facility. This space is not just about new walls or more exam rooms. It really represents the expansion of our capabilities. In this new clinic, we're looking forward to expanding our care model through incorporating telemedicine, breaking down geographic barriers, and reaching patients exactly where they are. Just to bring top-tier medical care directly to the most rural locations of Indiana that need it the most. So my chief honor today is welcoming the future of our program. It's my distinct privilege to introduce the 6 new residents who will join us on this journey. Please join me in giving a warm welcome to our new colleagues as they walk, try not to trip, and introduce themselves. So first, we have Dr. Adeyemo.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my pleasure to be here today, and I'm glad to be part of the Marion Health family. My name is Dr. Damilola Adeyemo. I graduated from Ladoke Akintola University of Technology, Ogbomoso, Nigeria, and I'm glad to be part of the Marion Health PGY1 resident year 2026. I believe that this program is a good program for me because during my first interview at this program, I saw the welcoming culture and the supportive of faculty and also the genuinity of the community in providing a well-rounded, compassionate patient care. Also, while I came for the second look interview, I observed the intentionality of the leadership of this hospital and the faculty as a whole in providing a well-rounded private medical education to upcoming physicians. And I believe that this was what caught me in picking Marion as one of as my first choice for my family medicine residency training program. I'm glad to be here, and also I'm also here to learn from everyone while I also contribute my own quota. Thank you.
Next will be Dr. Ajay.
Hello, everyone. My name is Akosi Ajay. I graduated from the University of Ghana. I was living in Greencastle before moving here to Marion. I chose Marion because I want to practice full spectrum family medicine, and Marion mirrors the type of practice that I want to have as a family medicine physician. And after my second look, I love the intentionality of the program, and being here for the past 4 weeks, I have not been disappointed at all. I hope to also potentially stay here in Indiana, and I thought training here would best serve that purpose. Thank you.
Okay, next we have Dr. Arabe.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you so much for being here today. For us, it really means a lot. My name is Eamon Array, and I'm starting at Marion Health as PGY1 FM resident. I'm originally from Pakistan, and I went to Dow Medical College there, but I have moved here with my husband from Canada last month. The reason I chose Marion Health because when I interviewed with the faculty and met the residents, I felt like I could see their genuine compassion for patient care and their commitment for learning and for our growth. But it's very recently since when we moved here, my husband and I noticed that people here are genuinely so nice, so welcoming, and super helpful that they made us feel like home. Whenever I step out, we always have people asking, "Are you okay? Do you need something?" And this has really made me look forward to meeting you all, helping you in whatever ways I can, and learning from all of you, and make my residency journey memorable. Thank you so much.
Okay, next we have Dr. Yusupova.
Hello, everyone. I'm Madina Yusupova. I was born and grew up in Chechnya. This is a small republic on the south of Russia. And to be honest, when I was a child, I wanted to be an astronaut. But my parents didn't let me to do this. And finally, I ended up in neurosurgery. And they were upset again. I practiced neurosurgery for more than 10 years. And then I moved here to the USA in California. And when I decided what to choose, I decided to choose family medicine. And I was very lucky to match in this wonderful program in Marion Health. I know winters here are cold, especially after California, but people are incredibly warm and community is wonderful. And I like that in this program, education is on the first place. And we have already felt it after our classes with Dr. Zabrana. And I like that this is a great place to get all types of experiences in family medicine. And I hope that one day I will become well-rounded, and compassionate American family doctor. Thank you.
Okay, next is Dr. Oyenye.
Hi everyone. Actually, it feels like home. I'm going to greet you all in Jamaican way. When we are meeting in Jamaica, we say Wagwan. And everybody will say back, not in Agwan. My name is Adewale Oyenye. I finished from Nigeria and I went to Jamaica. I did some years in Jamaica, about 10 years. And afterwards, I moved to United States. And I've been in Fort Wayne for some time. And Marion, yeah, I've been through here and there. I've been passing through here for some time now. Actually, an incident happened one day at my house. I have somebody that works in the environmental service. I just came on one night. It was like, if at all, he ever felt sick, you want to be managed at Marion. And that talks a lot about people in Marion, people working there, about the doctors that are working there. It speaks a lot. And that actually caught my attention. And that was one of the reasons I could say I had that strong feeling, that strong passion to be here. And upon getting here, to have met Dr. Zambrano, I could say it's one of the best. He won the best for this city, and I know this city is going to try really well. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. And last but not least, someone that I'm sure some of you might actually recognize. And if you don't recognize her, you might recognize her mom. So this is Dr. Templin.
Hi everyone, I'm Tori Templin, originally from Converse, Paterco High School actually, and then went to Butler University for undergrad, and then Marion University for med school, where I just graduated from in May. And the reason I chose Marion is because I wanted to come back home to this community and serve you guys. Obviously being from here, that was the main reason I wanted to come back, and then did a lot of rotations here in med school as well, and really had a good experience with that. So very excited to be back here to continue my training.
So thank you all again for being here to share this historic day with us. To our 6 new interns, you are joining a residency that demands excellence, but more importantly, one that operates as a family. You're surrounded by community, a medical staff, and a faculty that's completely invested in your success. As we open the doors to our new Bella Clinic today, we aren't just opening a medical building, we're launching a hub for innovation, a training ground for the next generation of physicians, and a lifeline to the rural communities of Indiana. I thank everyone who made this space a reality, and thank you to our community for trusting Marion Family Medicine Residency with your care. I would now like to invite the Greater Grant County to the front, as well as our residents, faculty, and clinic staff for our ribbon cutting ceremony.
We'll have Greater County Bachelor hold the ribbon, and then we'll your team over. Please. We're going to stand from this corner to this corner, facing out.